hunters, hey, I'm a stunner, summer, minute, hunter, cooker, hey, my crew, hey, surfer, wave, pop it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Outre. Y'all, I understand the actual name is Outre, but you know how black people is. So I decided to pick this wig up from WigTypes. I did pay this with my own coin. Okay, my own coins. And then of course, this is how much it costs online. I wanted the wig to kind of get here in a decent amount of time, so I did spend a little bit more on the shipping costs, but y'all, here she is. So I am going to be reviewing the Outre wig called Genevive. She is 22 inches. She is in the color ROM Irish Coffee. So it's that reverse ombre look. And at first I'm like, blonde on top of brown 4 color hair. I don't know how I feel, but everybody was making it look so cute. So I am skeptical about this color. I don't know, y'all. I just want to experiment. So we're going to see how this looks. This is from the SleekLay part collection. So this is what she is giving straight out the pack. Okay. I really do like this ash blonde color. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter than what it is, but not. She's cute. Okay, so this is what the hair is giving on the inside. You're going to have your 3 combs, 2 on the sides, of course 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Look at this hairline. You can kind of get away with not plucking blonde wigs sometimes, because sometimes the makeup can really camouflage, like, you know, what's really going on. But yeah, I don't think I would have to really pluck like that. But knowing me, I'm gonna pluck it. So you see those baby hairs. And then that's the middle part. She is a stationed middle part. Let's see what she looks like before I even put her on the mannequin. Let me just. All right. Okay, I don't know how I feel. Maybe I don't know. But y'all, stay tuned. Watch me put this wig on, and then I'll be back with my review on Genevieve. Okay? Let's see. Okay, this is how I am feeling about Genevieve. Yeah, get her. Get her. Get her. Oh my God. Like, don't get me wrong. The lace is lacing. You can see the lace. Y'all can see that. You can see that. But do you see the color? Like, at first I was really scared of this color, but this is actually one of my pros about this. Oh my God, they got golden amber, black cherry, sun-kissed brown. So I'm already knowing these other colors are beautiful, but this one, this was definitely me jumping out of my shell. This is me, you know, getting out of my box. I would have never thought that my complexion would have complemented this color. She is giving like an ash blonde, but yeah, I'm glad I bought this. I am. So the pros with this unit obviously is the color. I absolutely love this color. Yeah, I wouldn't change a thing about this. This is beautiful. Another pro, how easy it is to install. This is definitely beginner friendly. Is it big head friendly? I'm not sure. I have a 21-inch head and she does fit pretty nice on my head, but I do have the adjustable straps, you know, kind of tight on my stuff. So I do got a peanut head. So hopefully there is another YouTuber that reviews big head friendly wigs. Hopefully they've reviewed this wig for y'all. Another pro is I love how the waves and the curls are still intact after so much manipulation. You know how certain wigs, it kind of falls after a while? No. She is still thriving. Like, wow. Now the cons with this unit, obviously, you know, lace is lacing, but lace is material, it is not skin. So of course you're gonna only get away with camouflaging material for so long, you know, so y'all gonna see the lace. She does tangle, she does shed. I don't know if that was the shedding from me cutting the actual lace, but you know, after a few runs through her with my finger, she will hit a snag here and there. So make sure y'all got y'all a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb. Of course, another pro, the price. The price is very affordable. I can see me buying this unit again for sure. What I would rate this wig, if I had to compare it, or it was on a rating scale, a grading scale of synthetic wigs, I would give her a solid 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10? That's an A. Like, A. I'm pretty sure this wig has been out for a minute, but it was just this colorway was just always out of stock. And I'm glad WigTypes was able to have it available. So shout out to WigTypes. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
Corn rich, nigga, A1.